Now we are in chapter 13, simple probability. We were going to see the complement of an event. So complement of an event is something like not getting the event. Okay, so the complement giving you the words or meaning like not. Okay, and the probability for complement plus with the probability of the event is equal to 1. So the probability of complement according to the basic formula, so that means is the number of the complement over the number of sample space. And because we have the formula that is probability of complement plus with the probability of an event equal to 1, so that's why we have the probability of complement is equal to 1 minus with the probability of an event. So now just mention about the formula. I'm just mention about the formula. So to make you more understand, we better go to see some example. So this is the example. So the question saying throw a coin. So in the sample space, we have two different items or different outcome. There is head and tails. Head and tails. So now the probability is not getting tails. Okay, not getting tails. So not getting tails. So that means it's only one way to not getting tails, that is getting head. So that's why the number of not getting tails is only 1. And then the sample space, we have two different outcomes. So that's why the sample space equal to 2. The sample space equal to 2. Okay. So another way we can calculate the probability for complement is we using 1 minus with the probability of the events. So that means this 1 over 2 is referred to the probability getting tails. So because here we have tails is only 1, so that is 1 over 2. So that means the probability of complement that is not getting tails is equal to 1 over 2. Okay. Maybe one example is not enough for you to understand, so we're going to see another example. Okay, so this is another example. Chosen a letter from the words mathematics. Okay, choose a letter from the words mathematics. So finding the probability not getting vowel letter. Okay, not getting vowel letter. So that's why we need to check in the words mathematics how many letter is not vowel. So we count mathematics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 letter is not vowel. So that's why the number of complement equal to 6. And then number of sample space is always referred to the whole words. the whole words. So the sample space is referred to the whole words mathematics. So we have 10 because we have 10 letters in the words mathematics. Okay. So I clear the words just now. Okay, so to have looks more clear. So that's why I have the answer 6 over 10. But 6 over 10 is not the simplest form, so always remember to simplify your fraction. They will become 3 over 5. Okay, so this is one of the working we can get our answer. So another method we can find the answer is by using 1 minus with the probability of the events. So that means here we need to find 1 minus with the probability getting vowel. Okay, so in the words mathematics we have 4 vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why we have 1 minus with 4 over 10. Okay, 4 over 10 is the probability getting vowel. So same thing, we get the answer 6 over 10. So simplify the fraction. So finally we get the same answer 3 over 5. So this is another example to calculate the complement. Okay, so actually we have 2 ways. So depends on you which one you think is easier. You're just using the easier one for you lah. Okay, so we look at another example. Okay, so same. Now I have the fruit is picked from a box with 5 apples, 10 orange. So find the probability that not getting apples. Okay, not getting apples. So now inside the box, not apple, we have 10 here, orange. This is not apple. So that means the number of not apple is 10. Then the number of sample space refer to the box is 15 because we have all the fruit together is 15. So we have the answer. Also, we need to simplify the fraction. So finally, I have 2 over 3. Simplify the fraction. Okay. So this is the first way we can find our answer. Then now we look at the second way. So the second way is using 1 minus with the probability of the events. So now complement is getting apple. So the events will be getting apple. So inside the box we have 5 apples. So that's why the probability getting apple will be 5 over 15. So 1 minus with 5 over 15, we have the answer 10 over 15. And simplify the fraction 2 over 3. So you get the same answer. So again, I remind you, we have 2 methods to find the answer. We have 2 methods to find the answer, but both of them is okay. Just depends on you which one you think is easy. So you just choose which one you think is easy and then always follow the same way. Okay, so this is a part for the complement of events. So that's all for this part.